Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Sudha's Veg Recipes. Today we are making a special type of masala dosa, a dosa with a twist. So for that I have taken this dosa batter which I had prepared and fermented overnight. For recipe for this I will upload separately. I have taken few vegetables here, one small onion finely chopped, a small piece of cabbage grated, one small capsicum finely chopped, one small tomato finely chopped, 2 boiled and peeled potatoes medium sized, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped, and 1 teaspoon of garlic crushed. Okay, so let's start with making this. We will first mash and mix all these well. The potatoes are mashed, so now I am adding salt to taste, or about 2 teaspoons of salt to this, and 1 large spoon of red chilli powder and some pav bhaji masala. Let's mix these well. So this masala mixture is ready now, and you can also add boiled beet, grate and boil the beet and put in this for a different color. Now heat the pan. I have taken a non-stick pan and started flame. Let's spread this batter the way we generally spread a dosa for masala dosa. Spread it evenly. I love the aroma of dosa getting cooked. Now we will add a small blob of butter and a small portion of these mixed veggies on this butter. Spread it slightly and cover it. The sabzi as well as the dosa will get cooked with the butter in between them, and that is what will give the real taste. It's 1 minute now since the dosa is cooking. Let's check this. Yes, it has almost cooked. Now spread this vegetable mixture and the butter over half the dosa, because we are going to fold this. Cook it on open without covering the lid for few more seconds, and now it's ready. So this is done. Now fold it, the plain side, flip it over the vegetable side, take it out on a plate and serve it with tomato ketchup. You can also use sambar or coconut chutney, but this dosa tastes best with tomato ketchup. So I hope you like the recipe. Do try this. Like my recipe and share it if you enjoyed, and see you for more recipes. Bye bye.